Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change language in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your browser. To get Visual Code in the first place, you will need to open whatever kind of browser and then search in the URL section for this thing, which is visualstudio.com. So Visual Studio Code, and here we'll find code.visualstudio.com. So here we are. Now all you need to do is actually click on download for Windows, or else you can just click on this drop down list. Here you will find Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So you can choose whatever you'd like from these, and you have here other downloads if you want to, or you can just open it on web. So these are like the options that you have for downloading this software. After that, you have just to install it, which is a really simple method. Just next, 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 and then you will be installed. But guys, make sure that you are not confused between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, because they are completely different softwares with similar logos and name. So here we are. Now we are using this one, but the similar one, it is this one. So make sure you are not using this Visual Studio Code, which is the purple one. Make sure that you are on the blue one. Now, after you made everything set it up, so now how we can actually change the language, it is pretty simple. Click on File. So I'll show you two ways. The first one, which is clicking on File, New Text File, and here you will find Select a Language. So you can click here, and you will find all of these languages to start writing your code with. For example, let's choose C sharp, here it is. And for example, let's say that you wanted it in another way. The second method, which is File, New File, and here, if you have whatever thing installed on your PC, for example, I have Python, the only language that I have installed it in my Visual Studio Code, which is Python. I will click here, new file, and here Python. So that's how you can actually choose the languages. And the second one, which is actually more working, because the first one, as you can see, now let's go back, new file, here we go, select the language. I don't really have all these languages. So if I created, for example, C sharp, even though if I write a code, it's not gonna actually give me like automatic stuff. Like I'm not actually I'm not really good, so it will work, but you can't really export it or do whatever you'd like with this code. And if I run like that, let it save, you don't have an extension for debugging, so I can't actually work with it unless I installed it. But if you did the second method, so you will only be choosing the languages that you already have. So hey guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.